I am Dr. Jayanti from Kewal. I underwent laparoscopy training in Kewal Hospital under the guidance of Dr. GajananGPatil sir. Sir teaches each and every step of DLH right from a port incision, very slowly, patiently and meticulously, like a formula. Sir also gives training in hysteroscopy and various minor procedures. And the endo trainer is available both for laparoscopy and hysteroscopy. 24 hours round the clock it's available, so that we can practice to get an hand-eye coordination, and we can practice very suturing techniques also we can practice. And also the staffs in Kewal Hospital are very friendly, helpful. They all work in a coordination. Last but not the least, the food and the accommodation here are very nice. They make us feel at home and they are very flawless. Thank you.